hey, if you want to customize other screens on your Huawei Watch Fit SE, all you have to do is just to click on swipe down and open this settings icon, and from here go to the custom cards. And now we've got option to remove, for example, the weather, let's say, and the music. I'm not using these two cards, and now when I click outside on this button and I swipe to the left or the right, as you can see, I can only find my few the most used cards. When I click on it one more time and go into the settings, and for example, if I want to add any custom card, I have to click on the plus, and from here I can actually add the stress, the music, weather, running ability index, or resting heart rate measurement. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.